from MarketWise Asia over here. So in this video, I just want to share with you how myself and my SeasonalVantage Insiders actually profited from the recent sell-off. Okay, in case you are still hiding under the rock, right? I think you should know that the market, okay, the global market actually had a sell-off on a Monday. Okay, the Nikkei index 225, Nikkei 225 actually dropped about 12%, and the US market on Monday, you can see from the chart over there, on Monday it dropped about 3%. This is the S&P 500 future, and during intraday, okay, the US indices actually dropped a lot more, but slightly recovered at the end of the day. Okay, so in fact, before the market actually dropped, okay, I already said in my SV SeasonalVantage members area that I was actually looking for opportunity to short in the month of August. Of course, okay, I did not know that the market will actually drop so much. Okay, I don't have a crystal ball, but okay, based on some of the so-called insights, okay, the analysis that I've done in the US market, okay, I was telling my members that we could be anticipating some bearishness. So this is actually the SV members area over there. So you can see that I actually posted on the 30th of August. So I did a video. So every week, okay, I will do a weekly video updates to my members to tell them what are my so-called my market outlook, my insights for the coming week, and what are some of the stocks that are in my watch list. Of course, there's a summary over there. You can see over here, right? I mentioned that there are several factors that why I think that the market is bearish, because August we have a new central pivot range, is hitting the resistance area, and some of these so-called zero gamma level, we are below that certain level. Okay, we could be anticipating some bearishness or volatility. Okay, and not only that, okay, based on historical data, right, August was typically not a so good month, a bearish month. Okay, based on seasonality. So there are a myriad of factors that lead me to think that the market could have some so-called pullback and such. Okay, and I also highlighted, this is July 30th, okay, highlighted for some shorting opportunity. Of course, the data, it is based from this list that I have. I will share with you later. So some of the things that in my watch list was XES. This is the oil and gas energy ETF. Okay, and then the BTRS, SCCO, EWS. EWS, it is the MSCI Singapore Index. It can be a proxy for the Singapore market. So I told them that the STI could be weak, and it has been always been pretty weak, okay, in the month of August. Okay, if you study into a seasonal trend. Okay, so for example, over here, like XES over there, this is the XES. XES, it is the oil and gas equipment and service ETF. So when I first mentioned, it was on the 30th of July over there. This is the vertical line. Shortly after I mentioned, okay, price actually fell quite a bit. Okay, I personally also entered a short on this XCS. Oil typically, okay, in August, the start of August is not so good. Okay, and I also mentioned this SCCO. This is the mining company. And SCCO, it is actually the Southern Copper Corporation. Of course, like the name implies, this is a mining company and deals with copper. So when I first mentioned, okay, it was somewhere around here. Okay, so the market also had a pretty steep drop, and I personally also shorted this SCCO as well. Okay, and then not last, okay, the VTRS. Okay, VTRS, it is actually VTRS. This is Beatrice. It is actually a health company. Okay, so when I first mentioned, okay, it was somewhere around here. Okay, I also shorted this. Okay, price had a pretty nice drop also. I am still holding at point of doing this video, but I'm looking to take profit already. So a very good profit for a few days of a swing trade. Typically meaning that I hold for a few days to at most about 4 weeks or so, that kind of period. So this is Beatrice, and then we also have the EWS, as I mentioned over there. This is EWS. EWS, it is actually the MSCI Singapore Index. So I told my members that the Singapore index, okay, the STI basically are the three banks they are typically a week in the month of August. So I was saying, hey, maybe you can look for some opportunity to short. You can use, CFD to short, okay, trade the future SIMSKI, or you can just trade EWS, whatever it is, okay. You get the idea. You can express it in different ways, okay, your own preferred ways. And personally, I also shorted the STI, okay, using CFD. So this was the STI, when I first shorted, okay, it was here, okay. And in fact, okay, the bad thing was, okay, I actually took profit on Friday, okay, on the 2nd of August. If I had just held over the weekend, on Monday, I would have profited a lot more. But this is the power of using seasonal data to help you shortlist or watch list what are some of the stocks that you could be looking out for, okay, to trade, okay, within the next 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, or 1 month or so. So you have an idea, okay, a watch list of stocks, okay, exactly know what stocks to trade, okay. So, okay, this is the SeasonalVantage, okay. So I actually provide this data for my so-called members, okay. So this is, I actually provide the bearish and also the bullish stocks. So every quarter, okay, this is for the quarter from July to September. Okay, so you can see that let's do with the ETF first. So every week I'll show them, what are some of the stocks, to trade, okay. You will have the ticker symbol, okay, the ticker symbol, what are the company or the ETF. In this example, this is the ETF list. So all this will be the listed ETF, the start date, the closing date, okay, the winning percentage and the year. So for example, this means that, for example, like EWA, this is not advice to trade, okay, this is just showing you what is in the data itself. Like for example, MSCI Australia, start on the date is 29th of July. I actually, okay, hide this closing, so I didn't review over here, but if you actually join my SeasonalVantage Insiders, you will get this closing day as well and the calendar days, which means that for the past, 10 years, okay, 9 years, Australia actually dropped within this period from 29th of July to this period, which I didn't show over there. So, this is for the bearish data in July, okay. And you can see over there, okay, the Singapore EWS, Singapore Cap ETF from 31st of July, okay, until certain date, which the members will know. For the past 17 years, okay, the Singapore ETF or the STI actually, dropped during this period from 31st of July to a certain date, okay. For the past 17 years, 94% of time it dropped, which means that for the past 17 years, 16 years, okay, it dropped. So this was a very, a good odds that it could drop as well. And in this year, could be like 18 year, the STI also dropped during this period of time. So you will get this list, okay. You get the ETF list and also the stocks list as well. So these are the stocks which I presented, to my members, okay. And of course, for that week itself, typically, we will screen for that week. So for example, these are all the stocks, okay. These are all the stocks. There are quite a number of them over there, okay. You can actually filter. This is the Excel data sheet. You can actually filter. So for example, I want to screen from the 29th, the last week of July, 29th, 30th, 31st, that kind of thing, okay. You can just screen, okay. These are the stocks that is at the end of July. So all these are like, for example, like, some of these stocks that I mentioned. Maybe I'll just use this as an example over there, like 88, okay. I don't know about this stock, but okay, like for the past 11 years, okay, 10 years, it dropped during this period, okay. What are the average profit percentage, etc., okay. And you can also filter by sector and industry. So for example, I'm only interested in certain stocks. Like for example, I'm only interested in tech stocks. So okay, actually filter out, I only want the technology stocks, okay. And maybe say I only want certain industry. So you have all the sectors, all the technology sectors stock, okay. And all these are the stocks already, okay. And of course, a lot of these semicon stock have been dropping in the month of late July and August as well. You actually can check it out, okay. And maybe you say I only want, for example, semicon. So you can also filter by industry. I only want semicon, 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 for example. So this will be the list of the semicon stock. So for example, over there, like maybe like Marvell Technology, MRVL over there, MRVL. Okay, you can see that it also dropped during this period of time. Okay, at the end of July. Okay, at the end of July. All right, so Marvell Technology for the past 10 years, 9 years, it dropped during this period. Okay, again, I only listed the starting date, the closing date. I did not share because this is a public. I don't share I only share to the members. Okay, so this is what you will get in the members so-called this data list. So you will get this list. Okay, inside this members area. So inside this members area, okay, there are a few things. Okay, this is the report. Okay, this is the SV report. Okay, for the month of July, August, September for the third quarter. If you click on it, all right, you'll be able to download these bullish stocks, bullish ETF, bearish stocks, and bearish ETF as well. And then you also access to this members only area. Okay, and this is where we have this weekly update. The a lot of other things like masterclass. Masterclass is something that I share with my members other than the usual seasonality or seasonal trend and such other knowledge. So for example, the latest one that I shared is this August the 6th. Okay, I shared with them how to do data analysis on VIX using AI, specifically using the ChatGPT. Okay, and some of the other things like other things like knowledge pullbacks, simple versus complex. There are many other things like how to use ETF data to anticipate asset classes trend. These are the masterclass that's also inside the members area as well. Okay, I also do have this webinar provided for the members. Okay, and also there are some other things like the indicators that I provide them. So the indicators that I provide them will be under here. Okay, how to set your stop loss and take profit level. Okay, I provide the indicator as well. So all in all, this what you will get. And recently I also launched a so-called a Telegram group for the members. I will actually launch it to the public as well lah. So the public and the members can access to this SeasonalVantage Telegram group. Okay. The reason why I want to share this is you can get timely update, insights. Okay, for example, I will share with them. I already published this latest updates. Okay, go ahead to the members area and check it out, because sometimes email, some of them might miss the email and such. Too many things in your inbox really. So this will act as another channel, to update my members as well. And also we do have provide some of the member success stories. So for example, I traded the STI and some of the other stocks. Okay, whether it's big or small, never mind. I encourage my members to share some success recently. I only started this recently. So these are, for example, like Kenny, for example, or shorted the XES as well. So he mentioned that 5% gain in 2 days. Like Mary, actually prior to that, she actually long this MPC, and the profit is 1,006, and then my wife actually shorted XES as well, for her she traded relatively small, but again I mentioned that big or small doesn't matter, the absolute amount. The key thing is we actually took action, and traded accordingly based on the seasonal data. So you can see there are BEP over there, he or she also traded this XES, all right, and then some things like quite a number of them actually traded this XES as well. For example, Chai Sing traded this Southern Copper and a good short, on this company and such. So I'm encouraging them to share with them, and yeah, this and you can see that there's only 75 members because I only launched it like for the past few days. So right now we have about close to about 300 plus members or so. So more will be coming in when I release it to the members. Of course, you guys can join as well. I will timely. I will also share some of the insights as well that is available for the public members. All right. So yeah, and like for example, I said that previously I said, hey, August 5th, I said that you should be holding them or take profit, not initiating new shorts. This can be meant for the members and the public as well. So I already said that, okay, it is overextended. It is good if you are taking profit, not good if you are actually looking to initiate new shorts. So the reward to risk ratio is not in our favor. So as you can see, okay, from the chart right now, ever since the sell-off on Monday, right, the S&P 500 have been kind of, recovering for a while. So definitely, okay, not a good time to initiate new shorts. All right. So these are some of the things that you'll be getting. So in case you want to know how to join this SeasonalVantage Insiders, right? Okay. So, all right. So for the SeasonalVantage Insiders, okay, so you can head over to SeasonalVantage.com. So the June to September third quarter data, it is ready. And the usual price is actually $596 per year. So this is an annual membership, okay? But right now, because of the sudden change, okay, in the market condition, there's some sudden volatility, okay? You can use this coupon code, okay, market crash, okay? And you can entitle a 30% off the usual price, okay? At $499 per year, okay? At $499 per year, okay? So it is only $1.39 per day. So I often tell people, right, at 140, you cannot even buy a black coffee, a coffee oil, okay? At Yakun, the cheapest coffee at Yakun also costs you $2 already. So what just one profitable trade will cover the annual membership fee. At any point in time, okay, maybe after 1 year, so that maybe, SVI, it is not for you, okay? You can just cancel anytime, okay? No hard feelings, okay? After 1 year, you think that this is not for you, okay? You can cancel anytime. You won't be locked in. So you can go to the members area, and do it yourself, okay? So can head over to seasonalvantage.com. Okay, remember to use the coupon market crash. So this offer, it is valid until 9th of August, which is coincide with the Singapore National Day because suddenly there's a market crash. Usually, I usually do the promote only every quarter, but right now, there's this promotion until 499 until National Day, 9th of August 2024. So you can head over to the seasonalvantage.com. So this is the website over there. You can read through some of these things yourself, okay? But if you are ready to buy now, okay, right, you can click over to the subscribe annual plan, okay? So usual price is $596. So besides that, right, okay, I'm going to give you this data, provide you the data, and not only that, the bonuses that I'm going to give you is that, okay, the weekly video update. So this is especially good for those new people or new traders who might not know how to make use of this data fully. So every week, as I mentioned, right, I'll give you the insights, the outlook, and the watch list of some of the stocks that I'm looking out, okay? You can use it as a reference. So this is the video updates, and also provide you the bearish data. So prior to that, I only give the bullish data. So right now, from now onwards, right, moving the next quarters, next year, right, I also give you the bearish data every quarter. As I mentioned, there will be the trading masterclass video as well. These are all the bonuses, and also provide you the position sizing SLTP indicator using TradingView indicator, and there's also a live webinar, ad hoc live webinar, and in-person gathering. All these are for you for free as well, and you also have priority email support. And right now, if you actually join now at before the end of August, 9th of August, right, I'll also give you this, the Traders Blueprint book, okay? This was a Kinokuniya bestseller, so I'll be providing you this digital copy valued at $29, okay? And after that, I'll send you the link on how to redeem this ebook as well. So in all, these are the bonuses that you will be getting, okay? So the bonuses will be here. Okay, so all I have to do is just click on the annual plan over there. All right, and then enter the coupon code market crash, and then click apply, and you'll be a discounted price at $499, okay, per year. So I repeat, okay, you can try it out at the end of the 1 year. If you really think that SVI is not for you, there's no hard feeling, you can cancel anytime. But what if, okay, this could be the start of your very profitable journey, or if you want people to give you some handhold you, give you some ideas what to do, okay, right? This will be the thing that you'll be looking out for, okay? All right, but all in all, okay, just want to remind you, I am providing you guys the data, but as a bonus, okay, I will also provide you the members area where I share with you the weekly updates and such and all these things and try this and such. Okay, so I hope you can see the value. So promotion is valid until 9th of August, until this Friday. So make use of this chance, okay? And I'll see you inside, okay? All right, so with that, thanks so much and I'll see you inside SVI and bye-bye.